Why does firewood crackle like it's talking? When you burn wood, the heat makes the water inside turn into steam. This steam tries to escape, causing the wood to crackle and pop. It's like the wood is whispering secrets as it burns. But here's the twist. Each crackle is a tiny celebration. The wood is releasing energy it stored from the sun long ago. So, when you hear the crackling, imagine the wood cheering, "Yay, I'm free!" It's a joyful sound, not just noise. Next time you hear it, think of it as a happy wood party.